in '84 when I started to think about the band. I thought that I take do this fucking like this but bigger, and they put oil into it or something. I took 2 empty these ones and 2 sticks and go up to the roof in my schoolyard and start to bang it, you know, and scream my shit out. Still good plan, yeah?
It wasn't easy for punks in Soviet time. They were chased by police, and it wasn't really allowed, you know. And maybe that's why it's in the hearts. And still, this old school punk is very popular in Estonia.
I think it's Estonian punks like a kid who's turning to teenager. He's got tons of possibilities, but he doesn't know which direction to choose.
The problem is that most of the punks in our scene in Estonia are apolitical, and they're not really interested in different social and political and all kinds of problems. They just want to listen to music and hang out and drink beer and stuff like that. But lately, more and more young punks are starting to get interested in politics and all kinds of problems.
We started in 1991, and at the beginning we tried to sound as hard as possible and play as fast as possible. But in the early days, our gigs were really short. Usually we played about 20 minutes. Then something happened. Sometimes Freddie smashed the mic, and then sound engineer switched off the electricity.
Fucking finest word in the world. Punk.